tayo sa labas nag-intro. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo yung langit ba. Ipakita lang pala yung langit kaya dito nag-intro. Hala, parang manganganak naman ako tingnan nito. Uy, tingnan nyo yung ilong ko. Oh. Ano na? Nisngag na. Yung langit ba is iba ngayon. Kasi parang makulimlim siya. Uulan to maghapon siguro. Ngayon ano siya, may ambon. So tingnan nyo yung langit oh. Super makulimlim. Tingnan natin. So ayan oh. Hala. Ayan. Ngayon may ambon siya. Kunti. Alam nyo, buti na lang talaga kinat yung mga sanga-sanga dyan. Kasi last time, hindi yun kinat ng may-ari. Kasi sila yung dapat maglinis nito. Pati grass dito guys. Pati anong tawag dyan? Pati doon sa likod. Kasi nagbabayad na kayo para sila na yung magawa. And buti na lang, tinanggalan niya yung mga dahon na mga bulok na. Super lamig dito. Alam nyo ba na last week hanggang kahapon, super lamig dito. But noong Monday, super lamig. Yun yung 43 ata siya. O tapos ngayon daw na weekend, yan daw yung pinakamalamig. Like, 30 years ago na super lamig dito sa Florida. So, babalik ngayong weekend. So, sabi ni Tom, just to let you know, kasi alam niya na ako super malamigin. Sabi ko sa kanya, ay mag-ano lang ako, baka matulog lang ako niyan. Tulog lang. And anyway guys, so excited tayo today kasi dadating na yung ano tawag ba? So excited tayo today kasi dadating na yung car natin kasi sama na kayo sa amin. Yeah, car guys na binili ni Tom. Inutang pala. Yes. Nag-ano si Tom ng isang car para sa akin, ay para yun sa kanya kasi 7-seaters yun. Hindi na 'di ba kami makasya pag yung itim yung gagamitin namin. Dito tayo, be. So kaya nag-utang siya ulit ng isa. Pero yung itim namin na car, ma-paid off na siya this coming June ata. So yeah, finally. ito talaga si Tom, nag-iisip talaga yan siya sa pamilya. So kaya new payment na naman tayo. But I'm happy kasi malaki-laki na yung car namin. Hindi na magagalit si Bella pag pinikik siya ni Wesley sa mukha. Kasi yung itim, si Bella nasa gitna, si Wesley nasa car seat, si Bella yan nasa kabilang car seat. Si Wesley ginakik niya iyahang ate. Tapos si Bella nagagalit siya kasi masakit, of course, masakit yun eh. So sabi ni Tom kay Bella nung linggo, sabi niya na may new car na. Super happy naman ng ate. Ako super happy ko din, 'di ba? And timing din na nakapasa ako sa learner. So kung mag-test ako sa driving test this coming March, kasi March yung appointment and para may time pa din ako na anong tawag diyan? Mag-drive ba? Yung mahasa na mag-drive. So, tama-tama na March. Before ako manganak. Super happy ko talaga, like, grabe. Thank you, Lord. Thank you sa blessing. Kahit na may mga struggles, but masusulbad talaga. Alam nyo guys, yung isasabihin ko lang sa inyo. Pag may problema kayo, pray and di mo lang namalayan na okay ka na pala. Kasi ganyan din ako palagi. Siyempre, lahat naman ng tao mo may problema. Hindi ka tao kung wala kang problema. So, kaya, lahat ng tao may problema. excited na ako mamaya. Kasi sabi nito, ngayon daw yung dadating. And it's not a brand new car talaga. It's a used car. But, it's better na magbili ka ng used car, guys. Kasi kahit ngayon, guys, na used car yung bilhin mo, super mahal pa rin ng price. Di tulad, dati mahal din, pero mas ngayon super mahal talaga. Super mahal ng car. Kaya thankful ako kasi nakahanap si Tom ng 7-seaters na car, and ayun, nautang niya. Hindi ako magpi-feeling sa inyo na sa amin, ganyan, magpa-pretend. Na tayo yung prangkahan na lang tayo magsalita, no? So kaya happy ako kasi nakakita siya ng car na ganun. Ngayon guys, pag maghanap ka ng car dito sa Florida, hindi madaling maghanap ng car dito. Kasi super ang tataas ng prices, and lalo na yung mga new car. So, kaya happy ako na nakakita siya ng car. Ulit-ulit. So anyway guys, si Wesley tulog pala. Kain pala tayo ng champurado. Kailangan kong mag-map dito kasi super na naman ng floor namin. So while si Wesley natulog, magmamap ako. Maglinis ako ng kusina para later pagdating ni Ate Angel, after drop off ka William, malinis kasi minsan nahiya na talaga ako sa mga friend ko. Tagapunta dito yung bahay super kalat. Pero okay lang naman sa kanila yan. So anyway, si William pala hindi siya natulog dito, guys. Doon siya natulog kila Ate Angel kasi hindi na maka-drop off si Tom sa school niya or doon sa bahay nila Ate Angel every morning kasi super aga ng work ni Tom. Kailangan na pumunta ni Tom doon sa work ng 6 a.m. So and then kung pupunta pa dito sa Ate Angel, kukunin niya si William, pick upin niya si William. Yung time, wala na siyang time, 'di ba? So yung ginawa na lang, sabi na Ate Angel sa akin, like super na talaga ako, nahiya na talaga ako mag-ask Ate Angel. Pero sabi niya okay lang din naman daw kasi malapit na matapos yung school. And then si William umiyak din siya nung sinabihan ko siya kahapon na hindi na siya makapasok sa eskwelahan. So kaya sabi natin Angel na i-drop off namin siya doon mga 8 or 8:30 ng gabi, tapos dapat ready na siya, nakaligo na siya. Yun yung mga baon niya, yung damit niya, nandoon na. So kaya yun yung ginawa namin kagabi. And happy si William na nakapag-aral siya ngayon. Hanggang Friday siya doon. Ay, hindi pala, hanggang Saturday kasi doon daw siya mag-sleep over. Sabi natin Angel. So kaya kung may problema, yan din yung kaka-stressan ko. Kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-ask Ate Angel na ganun ba. Nahiya na talaga ako, pati sa mga friend ko, sa ibang friend ko, nahiya na talaga ako. Sabi ko, yung option, yung ko na lang talaga, no choice talaga ako, hindi ko na lang talaga papasukin si William. Si Ate Angel, yung mga anak din niya, same lang din ng school ni William. So, kaya okay lang na siya yung maghatid or magsundo. Walang problema sa kanya yun. Kaya sabi niya, okay lang yan kasi soon magdadrive ka na. Wala na siyang mga pasahero. So sige guys, mag-map muna ako ha. And after this, matulog ako ulit. Mintas tulog pa si Wesley. 2 hours na yung tulog ko. So sige siya. Nag-intro lang ako and gusto ko lang din kayong masabihan na may bagong car na tayo. Kasi part na din kayo ng pamilya namin. So, kailangan nyo din malaman yun. Hindi, it's not about bragging. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kasi I'm sure na kayo din, happy din kayo para sa amin. Kasi kayo din yung nagsasuggest na ng new car, yung mas malaki, 'di ba? So, wag niyo sabihin na nagbabrag ako. Share. Kasi pamilya naman tayo dito sa ating YouTube. So see ya guys later. Mag-map muna ako ha.
One eternity later.
He wants you to hug him. Kuya, he wants you to hug him. Mm.
So there's our new minivan, guys. Carvana. Delivered to your house, and he's going to take it off the truck, put it in the driveway. This is our new car. Well, it's used, guys. It's a 2016 Kia Sedona, but it's got a third row, so it's got an extra row of for seating, so that now the kids can all fit. So instead of going to a dealership and buying a car that's on their lot, you can buy from Carvana online. And then once you've decided, you have 7 days to return it if you decide you don't want it after you get it home and drive it and all that stuff. You can use that part.
Okay.
But it's dark outside, so you're not going to see.
Yeah.
It's here. You want to come see it?
Yeah, let's go see it. Let's go see the.
Let me see if he's still out there. Wait. So that's kind of how it works.
Oh. So let's go see the car. It's cold. Oh, wow. Do you like it, William?
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah, here, come here. Let's
Go.
Yeah.
So you just open the handle and it automatically will go back.
Oh.
And then to close it, you just move the handle again and it'll automatically slide, so you don't have to slide it.
Mm.
So see this row?
Wow.
Another row.
Hello, where are you gonna sleep? Where are you gonna sit down, William?
I'm gonna sit at the back.
So William can be in the back with Bella, and
I
the
wanna sit.
two babies can be here with space between.
Hi, the couch, the chair.
Ouch.
Wow, nice.
Whoa. What's this?
It's the instructions for paying for it.
Mmm.
Look, why
Smell
does it
good.
look like
Well, they cleaned it and they put those on there so that their feet didn't make it dirty.
Oh, look at this, guys.
that? That's cool. I like.
Hi, Wesley. Do you like our new car?
I
Huh?
like it.
Do you like it, William?
And look.
I know, it's new.
There's paper wrap. There's
Yeah,
paper
there's a
wrap.
cover on it so that it stays sanitized. You can take that off.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
So
I
tomorrow
like
we can,
Ride it.
Yeah, we'll go for a ride in it.
yeah.
But I gotta move. I don't have two sets of car seats, so we have to take his car seat out of that one
Mm-hmm.
and put it back in.
Okay, you wanna go there, Wes?
You wanna sit, Bubba?
You can sit down, William,
So,
but
I mean, it's not
but
too dirty, really. There's like a little.
yeah.
Does it feel like a car engine?
Oh, wow, William. Okay.
Well,
You can-
really, we could almost fit 3 kids sitting up in the back seat, and then this row could have 2 baby seats plus someone sitting in the middle if we had to.
Yeah.
What is just corners?
That's for drink holders.
Yeah.
I like it.
I want to see
Yeah,
inside
and
here.
it's not new, so they
Okay,
can make
right
messes,
here.
and it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we can put something on the chair.
Maybe.
So tomorrow, guys, I will show it to you because it's very dark right now. It's dark. It's nighttime,
What's that?
so we can see all of the sides. But I like it.
Dad, look.
What? Wow.
Do you like it, William?
How?
William likes it, guys. Oh,
How that?
It's William approved.
How that?
okay. Don't open it.
Yeah,
then.
just leave it then.
How that?
Push it back down.
I did.
Push the top back down because you opened it a little bit.
Wesley, approve. Huh? Do you like it?
I can't believe this. And how do we get out the back?
You don't get out the back. You have to climb out. You get out one of these windows.
Lights.
So they have drink holders. You
I
put
like it.
magazines here or something.
Oh, that's where the
And there's listening
garbage.
up music things.
It's not really for
Put
garbage. I mean.
something in there, and then
Could. Yeah, that's a vent, so the back seat gets air conditioning.
Oh!
Oh,
Lights!
yeah, and lights.
I like it.
Oh,
This is so cool.
so we got this second hand, right?
oh.
That means we have
Yes, it's a
u-
used
it's a
vehicle.
used car.
2016. So it's 6 years old.
Yeah. So it's not very old.
No, it's not that old for a car.
Yeah. So may stain siya kunti kasi
Yeah, hold
for
on.
sure yung may-ari nito is may anak siguro.
Don't.
So para may stain siya kasi hindi leather yung ano niya, yung upuan niya.
Don't step on it. Come this way.
So
Grab one.
but it's okay, guys, kasi basta may car lang kami na 7-seaters para din
Here, lift it up.
8 seaters pala.
3, 6, yeah, let's see 8.
do it? How do we do
Yeah. And happy kami kasi ready na for the upcoming baby.
this?
Yeah, it's a
So
handle.
ito naman din yung hinihintay nyo, di ba?
Yeah.
And of course kami
It's to hang
happy.
clothes on a hanger.
So
Whoa, this is. Why does it just a hanger?
William is very cool.
Whoa.
Do you like it, William? Now you have lots of space.
And we
Now-
have 2 cars.
You and Bella won't have to get kicked in the head by Wesley.
Yeah.
And
You can sit behind him.
yeah.
Yeah.
And we can just do that.
Yeah.
You can come inside there.
If you want, we can drive this to take you to Tita Angel's house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can.
And
Yeah.
I'm at school.
Well, we're not taking you to school tomorrow. Tita Angel is, buddy.
Alright.
Okay, okay.
Sige. Okay.
Whoa.
Let's go inside na
Okay,
and
let's
then
go
get
inside.
ready.
Look.
Okay, let's get
Wow.
ready for your stuff,
Yeah, leave it,
William.
buddy. Don't grab it.
Si William lalayas na. Doon siya matulog ka, Ate Angel.
How do we close it?
I think, remember Marco's car, William? It's like
if
this,
William's bad, we
right?
can make him lay back there. You want to lay back there?
Yeah.
Get in, see what it feels like.
And then you close it.
No, I won't close it on you. Careful. Oh no, he's in.
It's comfortable. A little
Now let's go to Tickle Town.
It's comfortable a little
It's
bit.
uncomfortable a little bit. Yeah, it's not made for riding.
He said it's comfortable a little bit.
Okay, so this you just pull the.
Oh yeah.
bit. I like it.
All right.
And look.
Yeah, it's Kia. K-I-A.
Okay, locked. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's get
I
inside.
like it.
What time are we thinking?
8.
At 8 up.